Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I created this pink smoky eye for you guys. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so as you guys can see, I've already done my base. So we will start with the eyes, and for my base I will be using this NYX eyeshadow primer. Now to set my eyes, I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I have applied the same loose powder underneath my eyes. I have baked and I will be getting rid of the bake after I am done with my eyes. So all the fallout that will happen, that won't mess up with my base. Hopefully no fallout should happen because the palette I'm going to use today is bomb. In my mind I have imagined a look like a pinkish, like a bright pink, like glitter on the lid, and then like all pink going on. So I've imagined that look. Let's see if I can do it. So for today's palette I'm going to go with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and this is volume 2. And here is the beauty. Here is the photo of the queen right here. So excited that I finally bought this palette, because Jaclyn Hill, the formula, it is amazing. And the beauty and the iconic palette is right here. So this is the palette I'm going to play with today. The whole palette is so beautiful. My god, the colors are gorgeous, just the way you guys are. Okay, so for my transition shade I will be going in with this Lolly Mama. The names, girl, I really love the names she has given. So Lolly Mama will go in my crease. Okay, let's just go with Tipsy Girl. So Tipsy Girl, I will be applying it all over my eyelid and also into my crease. I am loving the pigmentation. Okay, it's worth each and every bucks that I've paid. I'm literally enjoying right now. So I am the kind of a girl who loves to play with makeup, and I love to create different eye look, and I imagine what kind of an eye look I want to go for. And while I'm doing it, and if I have this sort of a mastery palette which will support my imagination to be the reality, that's the real happiness. Okay, I'm like literally light-handed. I've picked up, I'm holding this brush light-handed, and I'm just touching the brush onto my eyelid and the pigmentation. Ooh, like no efforts at all. This is the kind of a palette we need in our life, guys. Okay, just look at this eye. It's like full of, and also there's no fallout at all, no fallout at all. And then look at this eyes. Now I am really happy with the level of pigmentation and everything is going on. Now just to slightly deepen up the outer portion, I will be going in with Dance Party, concentrating it on the outer corner. As I told you guys, I want some glitter going on, some sparkly thing going on onto my lid. So for that I am planning to go with Ride O Diamonds. Let's just apply this onto our eyelid and see how it looks. And I'm going to go with, oh my god, this is exactly what I want. have with my fingers I have applied the sparkly shade, but now I will be going in with a brush, like a small brush, like so, like this, and I will be picking up the Ride or Diamond shade with this brush and then going and then making everything proper. So going in with finger is because it is easier to apply and you get the maximum pigmentation out of it. But then I also like to go with brush afterwards, because brush can reach into the areas where your fingers can't. So for my lower lash line, I will be going in with Tipsy Girl and Dance Party. So for my brow bone highlight, I will be going in with, I'm confused between Certified and I Am In It. Certified is like a matte white, and I'm In It is, it does, oh my god, I'm In It. It has like a pinkish thing. It's like white, but it does has this pink thing going on. So Certified will be applying it onto my brow bone, a matte color, because already so much is going on the eyes. I'm going to go in with I'm In It, and I'm going to apply it into the inner corners of my eyes. Wow, this inner corner, this shade, so good. You guys, I don't know if you guys can notice, it's so good. I will be going in with a black eyeliner onto my waterline. So for mascara, I am going to go in with my Lash Sensational mascara. So for my bronzer, I will be going in with my NYX matte bronzer. I'm also going to apply it onto my forehead just to make the illusion of it looking small. And I'm going to contour my nose. Going in with my beauty blender just to make sure that everything is blended and there is no harsh line. For my blush, I am going to use NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette. I will be going in with this shade and this shade right here and applying this onto the apples of my cheeks. I will also be going in on my nose. For lashes, I will be going in with my PAC lashes M75. So I've got my lashes on, and now for my highlighter, I will be going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Also applying it onto my zygomatic bone and also going onto the centers of my cheeks, just like this, and then going like this. Now to set my face and all the hard work that we've done, I'm going to use NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray and spritz it all over my face. So for my lipstick, I will be going in with my Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Nefertiti. So for my earrings, I will be going in with these hoops. So that's it guys, this is the final look and I hope you guys liked it, and if you did then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and to share this video. I love you guys, bye.